y'all, it's Betsy
and Cameron
from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is the start of Crafting for Kids with Kameron.
First we're doing the Elmer's glue slime kit.
The glitter slime kit. And this includes everything that you need in it to make the slime, other than you're gonna need a bowl,
A spatula,
and then something to store your slime in. So this is an easy, fun tutorial. This came from Target. They're $10 at Target, and I'm sure that they have these glitter slime kits other places. So if you'll give us a moment to change the camera angle, we'll show you how to make it. Okay, so the first thing we've got to do is we got to open up the box. Okay, I didn't cut the tape. Cameron likes making slime. We've made it homemade before, but we haven't done it this way. So, let's open it up.
and it has glitter glue.
More glitter glue.
Liquid magical liquid.
Magical liquid.
It's more glitter glue.
So for this, you mix in, so we actually have enough to make 2 things of slime. So $5 a thing of slime is perfectly fine. So we need to take the glue out of here. You want to put it in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we got to put all the glue in the bowl. That's pretty glue.
Mm-hmm.
Blue's Cameron's favorite color, just so y'all know. Here, how about I squeeze the glue in.
And
You gonna do the liquid?
mm-hmm. We just have to add this.
2 tablespoons of magical liquid. So actually,
I guess we just pour it in.
I don't think I have any measuring cup.
What is 2?
That's ounces.
Oh.
So, so 6 ounces of glue. How many ounces is in that? So it's the whole bottle of glue. Here, let me see this, and I can probably eyeball 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
And
if you're doing this at home, you probably want to get measuring cups.
Yes, I would use a measuring spoon when doing this, but since we were at my shop making this, you want to start mixing that while I'm getting the rest of the glue out?
Mm-hmm. It looks like you mixed it good.
I'm a pretty good judge of
Yeah.
measurements. But this is a fun kit anybody pretty much can do at home.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mix, well, you will notice the mix to become harder and harder to mix. You want me to help?
Yeah, it's getting harder. It actually. And we have a bunch of other fun projects.
Yes, we've already got a lot of projects to work on for our Crafting for Kids with Kameron.
Mm-hmm.
I think let's add just a...
And some of these you probably want like adult help.
Yes.
Like, unless they're like...
Big kids.
Yeah. I feel like 10 could do this by themselves, you know?
Oh yeah. But it's fun to do as a summer project with family.
Yep.
Okay, so you're gonna stick your hands in there to see how that feels?
That's...
Too sticky?
I think it's a little liquidy.
Ugh. You got it all over me, kid.
Yeah, I think it's...
Okay, I will continue stirring. Why don't you go grab us a paper towel?
Okay. You might want to add a little bit more liquid.
little more liquid?
Yeah. Because it is a little sticky.
Oh yeah, look.
Yeah, this is not coming off unless we wash our hands.
Well, we can wash our hands. Oh, you gave me it was already all sticky. Go grab a makeup wipe or baby wipe.
Where are the makeup wipes?
They should be in that drawer.
What drawer? This one?
Mm-hmm.
Here.
I think that looks like slime. What do you think?
Let me see. Yeah, this is more slime-like. And one of the fun projects that I'm looking forward to is it's oobleck.
Okay, you got to keep it where they can see it on camera.
It's
So that good and mixed, or do we need to mix it some more?
let me feel. It's good.
Slime is a fun project to do with kids. I would recommend working with it outside.
It's all over my hand.
Well, why don't you put it back in the bowl so we can make sure it's good and mixed? Ugh.
Let me take it off the spatula. Get this off.
See, and that's the fun of doing these projects too, is you get to get dirty. Huh?
Mm-hmm. It's gonna take a second. So, I like how it's glittery.
Yes. And it says take your slime out and knead it with both hands. I mean, you're supposed to mix it together. So let's give it a second. We'll change the camera angle and show you the finished product.
This is fun.
Okay. So we finished with the slime. Now it did end up using the whole bottle of the magical liquid. This is why you need things to measure with. But Kameron, you want to show them?
Yes, but it's not sticky at all anymore, and it's really fun.
And it mixes better than it does whenever you home make it with the borax, just so you know.
And it's not chunky at all.
Yep. So remember, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see some more projects with Kameron, tell us down below. Tell us if there's anything you'd like to see us make. But I guess that's it for today. So what do they need to do?
Subscribe, hit the bell for post notifications, and leave a like.
What else do they need to do?
Follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and that's it, right?
Yep.
Yep.
So I guess that's it. We'll see y'all on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.